Hey G-Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool mirror right here, and basically what this is a high pressure rain shower head. If you see the one that we got right here is from this brand, and this is what the product looks like when you guys first get it. When you guys look at the side, they probably got some specs and features that's on here. And for the one that we got right here is a chrome design. They do have this available in other design as well. So you definitely want to do your own research to see which one you prefer. But first I'm actually open up to show you guys what the inside looks like. Alright, so when you guys first open up, this actually looks like inside. Let's take everything out. So first thing inside, they provide guys the user manual to teach you guys how to use it. Next right here we have all the different accessories. So right here we do have the restrictor. Right here we do have the washer. And they also provide you guys the tape that you can use to stick it on to prevent any kind of leakage. And then last but not least, we do have the product right here. So let's take it out. Alright, so once you guys take it out, this is what the product looks like. If you hadn't seen it inside, they do provide guys the brand logo. And top part, they do provide guys instruction to teach you guys how to set it up. So once you guys take it out, this is what the top part looks like. So the top part right here, if you guys notice, it is adjustable. So as I move it around, just go like this. And when you guys are ready to set it up, you guys can twist this part here. Once you guys open it, this is what the inside looks like. So what you guys want to do when you guys are ready to set it up is take out the washer and put it inside. Once you guys do that, you guys install it onto your shower head. Like I mentioned, you do have to apply the tape if you guys don't have one already, because the tape will help you guys prevent any kind of leakage when you guys do set it up. But that is everything that's on the product. Let me actually go set this up to show you guys how to install it, and we'll also show you guys how it works, and then we'll come back and talk more product in a second. Alright, so right here is where we're going to install it. So what we want to do is to set up this part right here. So you guys can put this inside. Once you guys do that, you guys can set it up. So like I mentioned earlier, when you guys do set it up, you guys want to make sure you guys put the tape on first. Right now I have the tape on, so I don't need to put any on. So if you guys have some tape set up already, then all you need to do is just screw it on just like this. So all you guys want to do is just twist it. Twist it as far as you can until it's tight. Alright, so that should be good. So guys notice when I move this around, it is adjustable like I mentioned, which is pretty cool. So once you guys do that, then you guys are all set. So let's turn on the water and test it out to see how it works. Alright, so that is what the product looks like once you guys fully set it up. You can see it definitely does work. So if that water pressure is not enough for you guys can take off the resistor on top. Right, so I just took out the resistor. Let me just turn it on to show you guys what the product looks like once you guys take out the resistor inside. Alright, so see and here the product is actually really powerful. So if you guys don't use the resistor, you can definitely get the high pressure on here. But the water is too much, you can definitely put on the 2.5 onto the actual resistor and replace it. But that is how you guys start the product and what it actually looks like once you guys start using it. You can see it definitely does work. Alright, welcome back guys. So that's a quick test of the product, and definitely see it actually does work and actually works quite well. I love the fact of how they provide guys the restrictor option, so that way you can minimize the amount of water that's coming out if you guys want to. But if you guys want a lot more water to come out in terms of giving you guys high pressure water, then you guys can remove the restrictor. If you guys noticed earlier when I showed you guys actual product, inside they do have a restrictor that's already set up, and that is 1.8 GPM. Whereas the other one that comes separately, that is a 2.5 GPM. So if you guys want to minimize the amount of water that comes out, you guys want to put that on. But that is everything that's on the product. Now to unboxing and test the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it's pretty worth it if you guys want one of these. Especially if you guys are trying to look for a high quality rain shower head that give you guys the lower high pressure option. That I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or having one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.